We are here today to conduct a football clinic cum scouting workshop for kids who are born in 2013. Along with that, we have Felixin, who is our academy graduate from Goa, and he's gone on to play for BFC. This year, the academy has completed 10 years since inception, and it's quite quite a special moment for the academy and the organization as a whole. Over this journey, we've had a lot of players join Young Champs and graduated. We are total 40 players who graduated from Young Champs and who are part of the Indian football ecosystem in different levels, whether it's ISL, I-League, second division, and also players who've gone on to play for states. I think we're the only academy in the country who have 22 regional scouts operating all over the country. That's right from, you can say, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the complete length and breadth. All these scouts are contracted by us, and they are responsible to look at local tournaments, not only specific tournaments, but also visit maybe for in Goa inter-village tournament which are for kids.
Workshop cholta, which is a Reliance way. Okay, so these boys and they will go through the selection process. It's a process. Now this is a very good thing what Reliance have done. So the boys, when they come, they don't feel nervous and all. So now they know how it will be the real selection when they will be called for the exclusive selection, which will be held in Goa in next year. All right, and now from this lot they were going to select a student, a player student, and from there he'll be graduating in the Reliance Foundation in Mumbai.
So first, हांव डॉन बॉस्को पोप जून स्कुलां वयतालो. सो थिंग हांव स्कुला टीम खेळटालो. सो थिंग मागीर GFDC सेंटर आसतालें, सो हांव ट्रेनींग करता थिंगा. सो थिंगसान हांव GFDC रेजिडेंशियल अकॅडमी सिलेक्ट जालो मारगांव. सो थिंगा हांव 2 वर्स रावलो आनी थिंग पासून स्टडीज दे यूज टू टेक केअर एवरीथींग. RFDL जिखलोले विथ बेंगलुरू. सो आमी लंडन गेल्ले. लंडन थिंगा आमी नेक्स्ट जेन टोर्नामेंट खेळपाक गेल्ले. सो थिंगा वी प्लेड अगेन्स्ट लेस्टर आनी नॉटिंगम फॉरेस्टाको खेळलोले. सो ते एक्सपिरियन्स बरो आहलोले. द प्लेयर फिजिकलिटी वायज बरो आहलोले आनी आमकां जायती शिकोवंक मेळ्ळें थिंगच्यान. तेंगे फेसिलिटीज बी चड बरो आहलोले. द फेसिलिटीज, द कोचिंग स्टाफ, everything is good. They take care of everything, the football thing, they take care of everything, and even the studies wise they see everything.